and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Today I'm going to show you around this fantastic approved used Volkswagen Sharan. This is the 2-litre diesel SCR SEL DSG, finished in the lovely Indium Grey metallic paint. This car has one owner from new and it's in a really lovely condition. All the alloy wheels are in a really nice condition, there's no scuffs on them. And you have got rear tinted windows as well, so it just gives that bit of privacy to anyone travelling in the rear. The car's covered just over 3,300 miles from new, so it is a low mileage car. And inside the boot, you've got the boot space there. You can fold the 2 additional seats flat, so if you need a larger boot space, you can do that. A really great feature on this car is the electric sliding rear doors. So if you hold down the buttons on the key fob, you can open them, so you can do the same with the driver and the passenger side. Really handy when you've got your hands full. And inside you've got the integrated child seat. The easy entry slide seats make it really easy to get to the rear too. So this car is perfect for those larger families. You've also got the lovely Alcantara and leather interiors, really comfortable and luxurious. And you've got the 2 seat trays on the back of the front seats. Perfect for kids' lunches or iPads. You've got the push button close, so it's quite fun to get the kids involved to close their own doors. So we'll get in and I'll show you some of the features on the inside. Inside you've got your touchscreen display here. You have got App Connect, so you can connect your phone with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay or MirrorLink, so it seamlessly connects for you. And you've got your DAB radio, so it's perfect for all your music needs. Underneath you've got 3-zone climate control. You have got the front heated seats as well, so it's perfect on those chilly mornings. You've got your buttons to open your rear doors, and you've got the front and rear parking sensors, so it's perfect for getting this larger car in and out of those narrow spaces. This car is automatic, and you've got your electronic parking brake with auto hold, and your 2 handy cup holders under there. Along the dash, you can see there's plenty of space. You've got the lovely glossy insert on the dash and the door. And a really nice feature is the electric panoramic sunroof. Now I won't open it today because it is a little bit windy and rainy here in Wrexham, but you've got the electric sunblind as well, so you can just hold the control down and you can just put it halfway if you want to. Here's a close-up of your seats. You can see the lovely Alcantara and leather, and they're barely satin. Over to your steering wheel, you have got adaptive cruise control with front assist and lane assist, so it's perfect for long motorway drives. Your instrument cluster is there. You've also got the automatic headlights, and you've got heated and folding mirrors as well, so it gives you that extra security and gets you going quicker on them frosty mornings. Now this car comes with the balance of the manufacturer's warranty until the 27th of October 2023, and you have got the 2 keys with it as well. So I hope you like the car. If you need any further information or you are interested, please just give us a call. Thank you.